Hello guys, welcome back to Mathematics. Today we are going to solve the progression test style question number 10 of stage 6. This one says, Mark is doing a mixed ice cream. 1/4 of the ice cream is vanilla. 3/5 of the ice cream is chocolate. The remaining fraction is hazelnut ice cream. Write the fraction of hazelnut ice cream. Okay, so we are given the fractions of vanilla and chocolate. That means we could add them together and see how much is left to get the whole. So let's start doing the addition. 1/4 plus 3/5. We could use equivalent fractions or even the happy face method. Let's use the happy face method in this case. Don't forget to check my video about addition and subtraction of fractions that explain this method and other methods too. So this one would be 1 times 5, which is 5, plus, because we are in an addition, 4 times 3, which is 12, and 4 times 5 goes in the denominator, 20. 5 plus 12 is 17 over 20. So this is the total of vanilla and chocolate. So the rest of them is going to be hazelnuts. So remember, the whole is going to be 20 from 20. Let's imagine this is the ice cream. So 17 parts are already used with vanilla and chocolate. So we would only have these 3 left to be used in the hazelnuts. So we would say 3 out of 20 are hazelnuts. Notice that you could also say 1 minus 17 over 20. You could also express that one as 1 over 1 and then do the subtraction normally with the happy face method. 1 times 20 is 20. 1 times 17 is 17. Subtraction, because we are doing the subtraction, and 20 at the bottom. In that case, you are also going to get the 3 over 20. Remember always to do the process that is faster for you. And that's how you are going to get the 2 marks. Guys, this is important. The question is 2 marks. That means that probably if you do this addition correctly, you could get 1 mark. It's possible. So please, guys, write all the process here because that might help you to get some points in the progression test. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like if it was useful, book your own lessons with me, and lend me an equation. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.